Consider this example. I'm taking it from the paper, hence such a bad resolution, guys. So what we have been given is there is a memory partition of basic 5 blocks with 100 KB, 500 KB, 200 KB and 300 KB followed by 600 KB. So now these were the memory blocks to talk about. In this there are requests given in a specific order of 212, 417, 112 and 426 KB. Now they have asked us first fit, best fit, worst fit. I'll also show the variation of next fit. Let's go with the example. This is a memory block which I have shown over here. Let's go with the basic. First we are doing is the first fit algorithm. Now in first fit we have clearly said we'll be taking process block and try to put into first memory block that can accept it. So let's go with it, how things are going to be operated. We will be working with one way, taking the first request for 212 KB. In this, the first one cannot be achieved. Second one can have this. So we would be keeping the request 1, let's call it process 1 of 212 KB in a 500 block. Followed with the second request which we are taking for the process, which is 470 KB. In this first one is not possible, this one is not available, the next one cannot fit it, and the next again doesn't fit it, the last one can put it. So we'll be taking process 2 or rather request 2, which is a 417 KB. Going for the third one, third process, which requires only 112 KB. Let's go with it. The first one cannot take it, second doesn't have space, the third one can fairly take it. So in 200 KB we will be fitting what we have as process 3 of 112 KB. The fourth one in the series we are talking about is 426 KB. Now if we see carefully for this special case, let's see, the first one cannot fit it, second is not available, third is not available. We will go for the fourth one that cannot fit it, and the last one is not available. Under that case, we can say 426 KB cannot be placed and has to wait. Okay, now mind you, this was first fit. So if we talk about in first fit, there is a fragmentation. How much fragmentation? Let's try to see that. Fragmentation would include 100 KB, which is totally free, plus 500 minus 212 KB, plus 200 minus 112 KB, plus 300 KB, which is external fragmentation again, plus 600 minus 417 KB. So the total fragmentation which we will be facing due to this would be 1383 KB. Is fragmentation, or you can say available. I am considering entire fragmentation, that is external as well as internal. Going for the next option,